Behr presents How to Stain a Chair with Behr Fast-Drying Water-Based Wood Stain. So you're ready to give that chair some new life. All right, let's do it. We can make this chair brighten up the room in 3 easy steps using these fast-drying water-based products. To prep the surface, sand the wood evenly, then wipe away the dust. Apply Behr pre-stained wood conditioner and let it penetrate the wood for 20 minutes. It's time for the stain event. Apply Behr fast-drying water-based wood stain. Don't be shy. Work the stain into the grain. Give the stain 3 to 5 minutes to penetrate. Then, use a lint-free cloth to remove any excess stain and to blend any light and dark areas. Let the stain dry for 1 hour. For darker color, repeat the previous steps. Applying a clear top coat will protect your chair, so don't skip this part. Your future self will thank you. Brush on 2 coats of Behr water-based polyurethane. Pro tip, for a smooth finish, hold the brush at a 45-degree angle and brush lightly across the surface. Lightly sand between coats. Each poly coat is dry to the touch in an hour, but wait about a full day before heavy use on the surface. And for the final step, stand back and admire your handiwork because you just turned that chair into the new star of the office. Great work! To tackle more DIY projects, check out our other Behr how-to videos.